Today, we'll take you inside a modern laundry detergent pod factory, uncover the secrets of the technology and innovation behind it. Laundry pods, as a rapidly rising star in home cleaning in recent years. From the earliest liquid laundry detergents to today's smart, convenient pods, their emergence and innovation are inextricably linked. Here, the original formula and chemical composition were precisely calibrated. Each pearl undergoes rigorous testing and selection. First, precisely proportioned detergents, fragrances, and other ingredients are blended together to form a specialized compound. Next, through precise filling by the pod packaging equipment, they transform into uniformly shaped, plump laundry detergent pods. Each laundry pod is encased in a water-soluble film. It dissolves quickly in water, releasing concentrated laundry ingredients. The production process of the membrane is equally precise. Ensure it dissolves quickly, without burdening the environment. As temperature and humidity control, this water-soluble film dissolves rapidly. Any water temperature, ensuring consistent laundry results. On the production line, every batch of laundry pods undergoes rigorous quality inspection, from form and solubility to cleaning effectiveness. Every indicator has met the standards. Ensure every gel bead you receive is flawless. Through these testing devices, we can ensure that the beads dissolve completely during the washing process and effectively clean clothes. We support customization of outer packaging, whether in bags or boxes, customizable with safety latches. Meet your diverse packaging needs. This is the production process of laundry detergent pods, from raw material blending to final quality inspection. Jingliang Daily Chemical Products Co., Limited. Looking forward to working with you.